So you found your dream home in Mount Prospect. Are there any things you should be sure you know before purchasing? Let's break it down. Come on in and have a seat. Ben Weaver here, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam Karate Man Carr. Well, now it's time to watch those phones and the socials and give up on that karate dream. And we want to take a moment to talk to anyone who may be buying a home in lovely Mount Prospect. There are a few things you may want to know that are specific to the village of Mount Prospect, but first, let's get to know the town a little bit better. Mount Prospect is a village about 20 miles northwest of Chicago with a population currently around 53,000 residents. It was incorporated all the way back in 1917, and, fun little fact, American Idol Season 9 winner Lita Wise attended Prospect High. But enough about American Idol. Let's get into what you need to know if you're buying a property in Mount Prospect. The buyer pays a $3 per $1,000 tax. So, for example, if your purchase costs $100,000, you would pay a $300 tax. If the cost is $200,000, you would pay a $600 tax, and so on and so forth. In some villages, the responsibility for the tax lies on the seller, but in Mount Prospect, it's actually the buyer who covers that tax. We'll also be sure to contact the village in the early stages of the transaction just to ensure that there are no hidden fees or any other conflicts of any sort between the seller and the village. We want to cover all of our bases so nothing late in the process could cause a potential cancellation of the contract. Right before the purchase is finalized, we'll send a village form as well as a state tax document called a MyDeck via email to the village of Mount Prospect. MyDeck is an overly complicated state tax form that we'll take care of for you. We'll be in regular contact with you to make sure all forms and paperwork we need your signature on have been filled out and properly completed. Once that's all sent in, we'll get an appointment at the village hall and we'll finalize the purchase. Those are the main things to keep in mind when talking about buying a house in Mount Prospect. The $3 for $1,000 tax, ensuring there are no hidden fees, and getting all the documents squared away with the village. Next time we look at an area-specific transaction, we'll look at the details to sell a house in Des Plaines. Well, have you bought or sold a house in suburban Chicago? Did you have any unexpected fees or details involved with the transaction? Leave it in the comments below. If you or someone you know is considering buying a house in Mount Prospect, send them this video so they can be prepared for the process. And make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos on real estate law. I'm Ben Weaver from 23 Legal, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.